These are workers who are simply being asked to be treated with the respect that they deserve.
We are standing with Starbucks workers, and we're going to create an economy that works for all.
I want to share a few numbers with you here this afternoon. 36.2 billion. That is the amount of money that Starbucks made in revenue just last year. 95.8 million. That's the compensation package that Starbucks CEO Brian Niccol earned for 4 months of work last year. 6,666. That is how much times larger Niccol's pay was than the average Starbucks barista's salary. 400. That is how many labor law violations the NLRB has found that Starbucks has committed. 120. That's the amount of stores that are on strike, and 85, the number of cities that they are taking place in.
We have got to change our perspective. What is radical is giving $1 trillion in tax breaks to the top 1%. What is radical is being the only major country on earth not to guarantee health care to all people. What is radical is when the top 1% owns more wealth than the bottom 93%. So standing with working people is not radical. It's what the American people want.
There is an exhaustion amongst New Yorkers at the sheer contrast between these workers who cannot afford to live in this city and CEOs who are making $96 million a year on the backs of those same workers' labor. And that exhaustion is one that has also given rise to a movement where people are demanding what they deserve.
4 years have come and gone, and hundreds of shops have voted to join unions. 12,000 workers have voted to join unions, and yet Starbucks has refused to sit down and negotiate a fair contract. Thank the Starbucks workers. Here and around this country, we are going to prevail.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to strike on the picket line today. Hey!